Do you know this bridge? If you do, that'd be nice. Thank you for coming fishing with me today. The water seems to be a little stained. We had some real good rain the other day, and I'm amazed that it's cleaned up already. And I think the fish should bite. And we're starting from the bridge. Today is about June 23rd. But here we go. Spinner, the old Panther Martin, just coming down the river here. Hope we get something coming at the stuff right away. Oh, you can see the spinner in the water just fine. Oh, look at this. We've got a nice brown on. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, yeah, nice brown. Some of them are brookies here, so you gotta see which kind you got. Oh, he's a nice little guy. Nice, 12, 13 incher. Oh, so beautiful here. Here we go. Right out of the stained water, you can see him, and there he is. Oh, look at this fish, beautiful. And handle them with just a little bit of a cradle. Put the measuring stick on. Oh yeah, just over 13. Look at that chubby guy. Oh boy, number one for the day, just like that. That's fun. Oh, zoom, zoom. So far the bugs ain't descended upon me yet. Sometimes they can be real super buggers. But not so far here. Oh, I forgot my hat. That's why I got this rag on my head. I didn't want the top of my head getting burned. That's it. Charlie and Dan can laugh all they want. But I need something on my head. All right. Well, I think we should move up a little bit farther. Let's go. I don't think we're done yet here. I didn't cast up far enough. I think there's fish farther up there. So let's try. Oh, yes. I think there might be something way up there. Look at this. Oh, there's something. Oh, wow. That was a spunky little brown, I believe. About 11 incher. And he did hit right there coming back. That was cool. Would have been number 2 for the browns, but nope, nothing hands on. Well, that sure was exciting anyhow. Yeah, these fish are acting hungry. After being in the deep and murky for a while, you're going to want to come out and chew on anything that flashes passing by. And one of my favorite kinds, the old deluxe Panther Martin dressed. This is your gold blade and gold skirt. And they make one with an orange skirt and a little black little tail, but I like this one just a hair better. I do use the other one, but I like this one today. And I might change. The fish like it though. Here we go. And I think it's time to go up. Look at all the jewel weed. Good stuff. Wonder what I'm talking about? It's this stuff right here. Soft pointed jewel weed. This is your antidote for all of your nauseous weeds. Poison ivy, poison oak, bee stings, all other kinds of dermatological problems like eczema. But this here, you just smash the old stem and it makes a bunch of fluid and you put it right on your area and it wipes it right out. I mean, this stuff is nature and God's antidote to anything mean right here. Now let's go. All right, just before I left this last spot, I wanted to tuck right in front of that log And here we get a nice pretty brookie. Ooh, settle down, honey. Settle down. Settle down. Get him in the water. Pop the hook out, the barbless hook, by the way. And we got a beautiful little brookie. Look at that. That was nice. A little extra bonus just before I move out of the hole here. And they love sitting under anything with depth, like that. If you look down into there, you can see there's a little bit of depth in front and back. And just put it along front. And anything that's ambushing is ready to hit it. There we go. There's a little thumper. There he is right at the end. He is a little brown. Nice little brown. Pretty. He ain't getting done fishing. Oh, I let off all the pressure and he's still wrestling there. He's getting all wrapped up. There, I got him off. There he goes. Twisted it all up. Well, I got to undo this. He got it all twisted and twisted. All right, let's see if we can get another one out here. Not a good cast. There's lots of fish packed in this. Ooh, he just tagged it at the end there. Wonder what that was. Oh, nice looking water. Just clearing up. Beginning to think someone has been through here because I haven't got anything in a number of good holes. And I started off on the downside of the bridge and I got fish right away, so I'm thinking that someone came up through here. Came upstream. Oh well. You can only keep trying. Go up around the bend then. You know, you fly boys have a hard time with some of this. Ooh, nice doink there. Had one. Not picking them out of there though. They're not real aggressive enough to get the whole thing in their mouth. That's okay. I'll eventually get them. We have a stubborn little chap down there that's trying to get my spinner as I coast it along. I think it's a nice brookie. Watch as I come bringing it up. He tries to get it right in there. I just skeeted on. I only got one little brown right out from this little front, but there's a big brookie that was nailing it back there. I didn't expect anything to hit it, but there he was anyhow. I like these rapids with structure. Little deep pockets are in there. Way back by the right by the weeds there. Now coming up right through that riffle. Right in there. I expect to get something right in there sometime. And he's all done. He hit it a few times. Oh, here we go. Oh, right at the front of this log. Here, I'll try and get him again, but I just had a real nice brown crack it right behind that green sumac branch. Right down here. Oh, oh, there he is. Oh, shoot. He nailed it again. Oh, my. Keep trying, buddy. Keep trying. Although he felt me pretty good that time. Okay, now, come on. Oh, no, he's not going to hit that again. He's not that stupid. Oh, that was a nice brown. Oh, come on, little buggy. There, I was stuck on some vegetation here. The old willow leaf, willow branch, green stuff down in there. All right, try a couple more times maybe. Oh, that was fun. Try a little bit farther up maybe here. Oh, right down in there. He came out from there and nailed it obviously, and didn't get enough of my lure. Oh, it's a nice run on the other side there. Got the nice blackbirds trying to help me out. Let's see what we get down here. Oh, it looks really nice. Might not be able to tell if it's a little shallow there, but this is just fine. Keep trying. See if you get something to bite. Look at this. Oh. Got off right there. It's a decent brown. Brown right there. He was only more like that. That was fine. Okay, I just changed over to my favorite. It's a dressed pattern of the classic teardrop shape, the gold blade and the red dots. This is one of the all-time super producers that I've ever used in the last several decades. Okay, bye. I didn't mean to say bye. Take a look. See if it makes a difference. Feels different. Goes slower and it's heavier. I like the heavier and smoother retrieve. The Deluxe is a bullet style body and might put out a little bit more sonic vibration. This one does quite well. Let's go up around the corner. Nice. Little brown, he took me down the river here a ways. Maybe you can see him down there. He's taking me all over the place. Back to the right now. He's a smart fish. Got him up above me here and he took me down river. Okay, here he is. He's right in front of us now. There he is. Ooh, what is that? It is a colorful brownie. My gosh, are they colorful. Super, super colorful. I was hoping it would be a monster brookie, but it's just a brown. Oh, nice fish. Look at this thing. Come on now. Up. Oh, nice and stocky. Let's get that lure out of there. Right in the gill, or the, yeah, the gills. Not a good place for a fish to be having it. He's starting to quake. I can feel him. Okay. Yeah, right at 14, a fat 14. I mean, he's chubby. Look at the spots on him. Real pretty like. Boy, you gotta dig them. Hi there, how you doing? Well, he's gonna go. Oh yeah, very calm. Like he gave it all, his all on that fight. That was really nice of him to do that. It felt really good. All right, let's see if we can get another guy. Right from underneath there. See that? Right underneath them branches over there is where he came out of when I put my lure up above them and drew it down. There we go. Here's some very confining vegetation here. All kinds of brush and trees down everywhere. But we'll deal with it. As long as we can catch these fish, it is fun. Bye. Nice structure. Should be a couple fish in here. Oh, look at that. Hit him right off. Oh, nice one right there, right underneath the camera. Big brown. You know, 13, 14 incher. This is really exciting. A couple fish hit that as it went through the hole. Here we go. Let's see if we can get them to hit again. Here we go. Get down. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, they didn't grab it that time. Oh, that was a nice fish. I'm going to have to run it by him like I did the original cast. No fish. I can't believe it. They might have all felt it. They might have felt it. They all bumped it real good, and if they feel it and don't like it, they're not going to come back for it. Let's go through under here. No brookies. They like that stuff. We'll go way back under that stuff over there. See if there's something there. Look at it fluttering away. Nothing grabbing it. Put it back in there farther. No, still nothing. All right. Let's try one more. I think I'd get a fish in. Oh, nice fish. There it is. There's a nice one. Oh, look at that. It's a big, big brookie. It's a huge, no, it's a brown. I thought it was a big brookie. It's a brown. Nice fish. Ooh, nice. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on around. Okay, there he is. He's coming now. Ooh, what a chubby guy he is. All right. Okay, give him a number. Nice fish. Oh, the colors are just gorgeous. Almost 14. 13 and 3/4. 13 and 3/4. Nice. 6 browns and 6 brookies today. That's pretty good. Could be a lot better, but it's kind of slow today. Here we go. Let's see if we can get another one up there. Oh, that was fun. That one was a strong little guy. Just under 14. All right. Let's get some more up there somehow. Right up. Uh-oh. Come on, there he is. Oh my gosh, that was a nice brown right there. I seen his flank. The first couple of bumps, I don't know what they were, but that last one was a good brown. Oh, he came right up after it. He was right there. He's a nice 13, 14. Oh, he's nice looking. Whew. That would have been nice to get that second fish there. Come on, guys, come and grab it. No, he ain't chasing it no more. He's getting smart. Let's go up in that little current. Oh, it was fun. Seen some good action there. Got to see the pretty guy. And maybe next time. Maybe next time I'll bring my crawlers too. All right. Let's go up the river.